Hello po! Come get ready with me as I start a new day in my new chapter. Because matapos ang isang dekada of doing corporate work and being retired for a little over a year now, I've finally decided to jump into doing small business. It's been a wild ride and I'm excited to share the highs and the lows from actually being employed to now employing myself sa napili kong maliit na negosyo. Kaya tara! Once I'm done with my usual morning routine, I typically start by inspecting on my stocks, especially yung mga bagong dating. I inspect on a few items to check yung kanilang consistency and to see if meron bang problema sa quality. If from the video it isn't obvious yet, ang magbenta ng tissue or paper towel ang maliit na business na sinimulan naming pasukin. Ako kasama ang isa sa matalik kong kaibigan ang nag-decide na sumubok sa ganitong kalakaran. We started with interfolded paper towel for we feel like this type of tissue is widely used, marketable, and very versatile. The tissue paper business is quite straightforward. It involves manufacturing, packaging, and distribution. Simple business model, ika nga. Though making an effective business model out of this is something that I have yet to fulfill, it's a big plus for small business owners like me na wala itong masyadong layer of complexity. Para sa nagsisimula pa lamang, hindi masyado kailangan ng extensive technical expertise and not even a massive capital yung ganitong klaseng negosyo. For a small-scale operation like mine, I only started by sourcing out from a reliable manufacturer and large-scale distributor. Tapos lakas loob na lang ako nakipag-negotiate sa kanila para makasecure ng consistent na supply at an arrangement that can still give us a margin for profit. Another thing that made me decide to pursue this business ay nandun yung factor ng continuous consumption. Given that tissue is of essential use in our daily life, or in short, ito yung mga nauubos na supply, customers return regularly to buy for more. So in essence, nandun yung potential ng loyal customer base. That's it for now. We hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye!